The moon is humanity's nearest companion in our travels in space, and the only celestial body that we have had the chance to actually visit. Our satellite continues to hold many interesting secrets, from its scientific strangeness to the many ways it affects our lives. The moon is a mystery that is definitely worth a closer look. Let's explore 5 things that you never knew about moon. Number 5. What was the first sport played on moon? That would be golf. In 1971, Apollo 14 astronaut Alan Shepard swung a makeshift 6-iron on the moon's surface and missed the ball. His second swing, however, connected, and the golf ball went flying miles and miles and miles, as Shepard put it after his swing. In reality, the ball traveled only a few hundred yards. Number 4. Lunar souvenirs. The astronauts of NASA's Apollo missions collected some 840 pounds of lunar rocks and debris during the 340 hours they spent tooling around on the moon. During the Nixon administration, nearly 270 moon rocks were presented as gifts to foreign nations. Apollo astronauts were allowed to keep a few rocks as lunar souvenirs, under the condition that they would never be sold but instead passed down from generation to generation. Today, NASA's remaining samples are kept in Teflon bags and stored in nitrogen-filled steel cabinets at the Johnson Space Center in Houston. Any researcher who wishes to handle them must wear 3 pairs of gloves to prevent contamination. Number 3. Seas on the moon? The massive lava plains in the lunar surface, dubbed seas by Earthbound observers, were created by the violent impacts of meteors. Interestingly, most of these lava seas are on the side facing Earth. The force of Earth's gravity pulls the moon's molten interior closer to the surface, making it more susceptible to seeping out during a meteor strike. Number 2. Headed to the moon? Bring layers. Talk about extreme weather changes. The moon's surface temperature varies by nearly 500 degrees Fahrenheit, from minus 240 degrees Fahrenheit. And once those extreme temps set in, they stick around for a while. A spot on the moon spends about 13 days in frigid darkness, followed by 13 days in water, boiling sunlight. The lack of atmosphere accounts for the wild temperature swings. However, If you dig a meter below the moon's surface, the temperature evens out to a nearly constant -31 degrees Fahrenheit. Number 1. Everlasting footprints. No atmosphere on the moon means no wind or weather, and that, luckily, means no erosion of mankind's historic tracks and prints that still dot the lunar surface. To prove it, NASA's Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter LRO sent back photos, in July, of the still visible tracks from 5 of the 6 Apollo landing sites.